food. Yummy! Are you video?
No, I'm taking a picture. Just feed him so I can take a picture.
Hey, next time. I'll feed this. I'll feed it. Take it.
There, I did. It's okay if he has a little bit on his little chin.
Oh.
And we'll wipe him up afterwards.
Maybe I'll do it afterwards. That's a big butt too.
See, I could have like 5 kids. I just have you take care of the little ones, and I'll take care of the baby one.